Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3, data handling, exercise 3.3. New exercise about graph. What is a graph? Graph is a diagram in our copy book or graph copy. In this, there are two lines. Intersecting of these lines called origin. This is our origin. This called x axis, this called y axis. These are the x axis and y axis. Here in y axis we placed numerical values. In this y axis we placed numerical values. In x axis we placed given data. At upper side of this we place a scale about 1 centimeter. What is the 1 centimeter? Here we placed a scale to put higher value in our small diagram. Like this diagram, there are 600 and here only 12. The diagrams are equal in size. These are the two diagrams which are the equal in size. One diagram shows 0 to 12 and another diagram shows 0 to 600. So we use a scale. Here is a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. This block is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. And here scale is 1 centimeter is equal to, here 1 centimeter is equal to 100 unit. Here scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 unit. This is our graph. In this graph we can draw this type of buildings called bar. This called bar. Okay. When we saw any value in this graph called bar graph. This is our bar graph. Now question number first. Use the bar graph to answer the question. Here is graph 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here dog, cat, rabbit, hamster and others. Dogs bar is 0 to here. Here means 8. The dogs are 8. The cat is here. Here is 10. So cats are 10. Rabbits here means 2. Rabbits are 2. Hamster. Between 4 and 6, the middle part 4 and 6, middle part of 4 and 6 is 5. So hamster are 5. Others are between 2 and 4. The between 2 and 4 there is 3. So others pet are 3. Now question number first. Which is the most popular pet? So many people using pet of cat. These are the largest building. In this bar graph, the largest building is cat having 10. Answer. Which is the most popular pet? Most popular pet is cat. Now next one. How many students have dog as a pet? How many students having dog? These are the dogs. 8. 8 students have dog as a pet. Now take beginning from this question. Use the bar graph to answer the question. Here is a graph. Naming of this graph is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the lines and these are the bar. First bar is dog, second bar cat, third bar rabbit, fourth bar hamster, fifth bar others. Question number first. Which of the most popular pet? Most popular pet. Highest building is cat. So cat is the most popular pet. How many students have the dog as a pet? Dogs are 8. So 8 students have dog as a pet. Now in question number second, we take question number second. Question number second says that read the bar graph which shows the number of books. These are the number of books sold by a storekeeper during 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 years. Answer the following question. First of all, we read this graph. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Here is a years, here is books. These are the years and these are books, number of books. Number of books. Now take the first bar is 89. 1989 bar. This bar is upper than the middle of 200 and 100 and 200. Between them is 150. Here is 150. Here is 150. But this is above 150. This is above 150. In 90. Between 4 and 500, between them here is middle part. So this is upper above than the middle part of 400 and 500. 91 is fixed. 300. 92, this is lower than middle part of 200 and 300. In 93, above than the middle part of 500 and 600. Now, about how many books were sold in 89, 90 and 92. In 1989, in 89, here is middle part of 100 and 200 is 150, above 150 we take 175. This is over 175 because this is over 150. This is 150 and bar is between 150 to 200. Bar is between 150 to 200, just middle of 150 and 200 is 175. In 90, here is 90, this is 450, 400, 500, in between them this is 450, above 450 is 475, 475. In 1992, 92, middle part is here is below middle, 200, here is 250, between 200 and 250 is 225 books sold. In 89, 175 books sold. In 90, 475 books sold. In 92, 225 books sold. Now taking another question. In which year were about 475 books sold? 475 books sold. 1990. 475, here is 450, 475, this bar is 90. About 475 books sold in 1990. About 225 books sold. 250, 225 here. 92. About 225 books sold in 1992. In which years fewer than 250 books sold? Here is 250. Below 250, 89. Below 250, 92. 1989 and 1992 fewer than years fewer than 250 books sold. Let's take beginning from this question. Read the bar graph which shows the number of books sold by a bookstore during 5 years. Answer the following question. Here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. First year is 1989. In 1989, this is bar. The bar is between 100 and 200. Here is middle part is 150. This is above 150. Let's take 175. This is over 175. 175. In next, this is 90. Between 400 and 500. The middle of this is 450, but is above 450. Above 450 is 475. In 91, fixed 300. In 92, between 2 and 300. Middle part of this is 250, but this is below 250. Let's take 225. In 93, here is a bar. Bar is between 500 and 600. Here 550. Here is 550. Here is 550. But this is above 550. So we will take 575. Now, about how many books were sold in 89? In 89, 175. 90. 90, 475. 92. 92, 225 books sold. In which years were about 475 books sold? 475, this 90. About 475 books sold in 90. About 225 books sold, 225 here, 225, 92. 225 books sold in 1992. In which year fewer than 250 books sold? This is our 250. Below 250, 89. Below 250, 92. 89 and 92 years fewer than 250 books sold. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. Number of children in 6 different classes are given below. This is a table which denote 6 classes and number of students. Represent the data on bar graph. Class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Number of children 135, 120, 95, 100, 90, 80. These are the number of students. Represent the data on bar graph. The maximum value of this table is 135. Here is 135. If we round figure this, upper value is 140. 140. If we denote 10 children in 10 children in 1 centimeter, we have to move 14 centimeter. We have to move 14 centimeter. So we will take 20 centimeter. We will take 20 children in 1 centimeter. So we need to only 7 lines. We needs only 7 lines by taking 20 student per line. Here is 135 student, round figure by upper value is 140. If we take 10 student in each line, we need 14 lines. If we take 20 student in a line, we will need only 7 lines. So in 7 lines we can draw a graph. So we will take scale of 20 student. Question number first, how would you choose a scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 20 children. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 children. Now answer the following question. Which class has maximum number of children? Maximum number of children in fifth. And the minimum number of children in minimum is 80 in 10th class. Now find the ratio of student of class 6 to the student of class 8. 6 and 8 class students ratio will denote in division form. 6th ratio 8 is equal to number of students in 6th class 120 ratio, number of students in 8th class 100. So 6 ratio 8 is equal to, ratio can denote by symbol of divide. 10 and 10 can cut, we can cut each other by 2, 6 times 5 times, we will cut by 2. 12 by 2 is 6, 10 by 2 is 5. So 6th ratio 8 is equal to 6 ratio 5. This is our answer. Now represent the data on bar graph. We will draw a bar graph here. We taken a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 20 children, 140 upon 20 is equal to 7. We need to denote 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the 7 lines. Now numbering these 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and 140. These are the numbers on these lines. Now in your copy there are the lines already drawn. You will denote 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. You need not to draw the lines. Lines are already drawn in your copy. Now there are classes. First of all we denote 5th, then 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. These are the classes. In 5th class 135 students. In 5th class 120, 140, here is 130, now here is 135. This is the bar graph. In 5th class there is 135. In 6th 120. Here is 120. This is over 120. In 7th class 95. 7th 80, 100, between them 90. Here is 95. 80, 100, middle part of this 90. Between them there are 95. So this is 95. This is the 95. Now class 8, 100, 100. This is 100. Now in 9th 90, 90, here is 90. 80, 100, 80, 100, between them here is 90. In 9th class 90. 90. 10th class 80. Here is 10th class. This is over 80. Scale is 1 centimeter equal to 20 children. You can take a screenshot of this. Next question will taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.